Good morning. I just wanted to show you how I do my washer. I've already put my clothes in, and I kind of I'd load around the side, leave a hole in the middle. This is ready to go. I push down back here, lift this out. There's always excess water. And normally I use this soap, but this is my load, so I use this. And I just pour directly in there. I kind of split this half and half. That with this all unscented. That way I get more life out of my expensive detergent. And I fill it up to just the top of that compartment. And I don't use bleach or anything, but if I have to use this, I usually pour it in the cup and then just disperse it over the clothes right before I start the machine. But I'm not going to use it this time, so I'm going to close it, push on, and you can see I kind of marked color there. I mean, crayon there, and then there, because that's basically what you do. Just turn it on, and then just click it once. It's right there. That's my normal that I use. Hi. And then I push start. If you need to, I haven't pushed it yet, but if you need to adjust the temperature, that's pretty much all that I ever adjust. That's usually for Travis's hot jeans. Jeans, if they're real dirty or anything, but otherwise it just stays on warm. So I'm going to start that over. I'm going to turn it off. Okay, turn it back on and to normal and start. And the door locks and then it does its thing, and it'll chime whenever it's completely done. But this number will go down once it gets adjusted and weighs it or whatever it does. So that's how you do that. Now I've already put a load of clothes in the dryer, and I'm just going to close it. I come over here and I turn it on. It's already on normal, and I push start. Now it's going to go through that entire cycle, and when you come back in, it'll be I'd say 98% dry. I almost always click it over to the enhanced touch-up, push power on, and then power on. Yeah, I don't know, it leaves them kind of damp for some reason, and I always do that. But this is the lint catcher, and I'm not going to clean it just right now because my hand is busy. Both hands are busy, so but then you just push it back in. I push the lint in there, and that's about it. I put a dryer sheet in also on every load pretty much. So yeah, there we go. And it's noon on Friday. Happy Friday. Okay, love you.